Welcome back to another Harry's Happenings, and today I'm in Norwich. This is the marketplace and the old Gale, the old town hall, and the city hall. And it's 1 o'clock and it's the 21st of October 2023, and today we're going to look at the Forum, this wonderful building, architectural masterpiece. The Forum has this open space here which is used for dance and exhibitions, and inside it houses the BBC, a library on the first floor, a pizza, restaurant, a cafe here, a library, and a big open space for exhibitions. And it looks like we have an exhibition today. Looks like a craft fair. Let's go and have a look. The Forum in Norwich was actually designed by Hopkins architects in 2001, and it's probably the single building which has the greatest impact on the city this century. It's benefited from capital funding from the Millennium Commission. It was designed by the award-winning architect Sir Michael Hopkins, following a limited competition to replace the old Norwich City Library, which burnt down in 1994. So the Forum, together with the open space in front, the Millennium Plain, has become a new civic focus and a major public space in the heart of Norwich. The building is actually conceived as a courtyard surrounded by a 3-storey horseshoe-shaped brickwork enclosure which accommodates various activities, including the library and the BBC studios, on a series of balconies. The roof is actually supported by bowstring steel trusses which form leaf-shaped panels, allowing light into the heart of the building and creating a dynamic public atrium. It's spectacular glazed and wall frames and reflects the Gothic church tower of St Peter Mancroft opposite. The building actually won a Civic Trust Award for Urban Design and the RBA Regional Award. So if you ever come to Norwich, you will find the Forum adjacent to the City Hall and very close to the award-winning open marketplace in the centre of Norwich. Do come and visit. It's a wonderful space, and if you're lucky you'll find an exhibition on like there is today. Thank you for watching this short video of the Forum in Norwich. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up. Any comments gratefully received, and I look forward to giving you another insight into Norwich, in this wonderful city, in another day. Thank you for watching. Bye.